Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a Midwest fan collector here with another fan video. And today I'll be showing you guys this antique brass Evergo ceiling fan with a 3-way light kit on it. This is one of the fans that Tori picked up last weekend. It's a pretty neat little fan. I like the housing on it. That's pretty cool. It's got just plain blades on it. There's the 3-way light kit. It's got a little bit of a bearing noise to it, but it's not too crazy, I guess. All right, we'll start off on low. It's kind of like, reminds me of one of those fans you'd see in a wood paneling bedroom or even a kitchen. It's got a nice low speed to it. All right, we'll go to medium now. Yeah, you start to hear the bearing noise on medium. It's got a slight breeze to it. All right, now we'll go to high. It's not a bad little air mover. Like I said, it's got some bearing noise. You hear it mostly on medium and high, but other than that, it's a pretty neat looking fan. One of the nicer huggers I've seen. All right, now we'll turn it off. I'll stop that right there. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.